The Kijaro Dual Lock chair features the Kijaro Dual Lock experience and is made from diamond ripstop polyester with a breathable mesh back. The Kijaro Dual Lock chair weighs just under 9.5 pounds, but can hold up to 300 pounds with no sag seating, 2 different sized mesh cup holders, and a side pocket organizer. The Kijaro Dual Lock chair provides you with superior seating and portability. Kijaro, journey on.
Hello, my name is Lad Luigi, the inventor of STRONGBACK chairs. The reason our chairs are the most comfortable and healthy folding chairs available anywhere is simple: posture support. Let me show you how it works on the STRONGBACK Elite chair. You can see right away it's the classic ergonomic shape. It has a nice high back to support the shoulders and thoracic portion of your vertebrae. It comes down nice and smooth to this critical lumbar area here, where then it curves under. This shape here is what provides the lumbar support, and when the chair is open and in use, this curve and the whole back is nice and tight to support your back and to support your spine, which has this same shape. The seat is tilted back to hold you comfortably against this lumbar curve so you can sit all day comfortably without back pain. Now let's look at a STRONGBACK chair in use versus a normal chair. This is a head-to-head or back-to-back posture support battle. The chair on the left is the STRONGBACK Elite chair. The chair on the right, a normal chair. Now watch my posture as I sit. You can see right away in the STRONGBACK chair on the left, my whole spine is aligned better. My shoulders are back, chest is out, head is comfortably supported by my neck, and my lumbar area is completely supported. I'm relaxed, comfortable, with great seated posture, with no effort. In the other chair, however, on the right, look what's happened. I've slipped forward in the seat, sunk down in the chair, my shoulders have been thrown forward and rounded, my chest is sunken in, my head has been forced forward, and this causes a strain in my neck, and the lower back and lumbar region are completely unsupported and rounded. I'm not comfortable, I'm not relaxed, I'm wondering when I can get out of this chair and go home, otherwise I'm gonna have to go see my back doctor. Yeah!
Good camping gear means less time unpacking and more time relaxing. The HITORHIKE 2-piece camping chair sets up in just minutes with a collapsible aluminum frame. The frame is similar to a lightweight pop-up tent and is incredibly stable. The chair is designed to keep you cool on those hot summer days out enjoying the wild. Ripstop nylon will keep you cool and comfortable, and the cooling mesh seat panel ventilates your back and backside. Plus, the fabric drains and dries fast, so you'll be up for any weather or adventure. There are 2 useful side pockets for your phone, water bottles, and other gear. Enjoy this comfortable chair that you can take on the go.
Hey guys, this is Paul here from Trekology. I just wanted to introduce everybody to the Trekology YIZI Go outdoor chair. I really like using this chair for anything outdoors, outdoor picnics, outdoor concerts, or outdoor sporting events. It's really small, lightweight, easy to pack and take anywhere with you. So to assemble the chair, which comes in this carrying bag, you'll want to open the zipper and pull out the chair. Now the chair comes in 2 pieces. This first piece is the seat cover, which I'll set aside for now. The second piece is the legs of the chair. It comes with the Velcro strap, which I'll open. Now the legs of the chair comes in a wide assortment of different pieces, but it's really easy to put together. You simply take each piece separately and it will slide itself into the hole that it corresponds with. It's very easy. Now, the next part is to look for the parts of the leg with these small black tabs. These are the part that will sit on the ground. So I'll rotate this so it goes to the ground on both sides. Now I identify there are two long parts of the chair and two short parts of the chair. The long parts will be the back of the chair, the short parts will be the front of the chair. Now, if I take the seat cover now, look for the Trekology logo on the seat. This will be the back part of the chair. And I'll rotate the chair toward the camera. So the Trekology logo will be the back part of the chair. And you'll want to start by assembling the front part of the chair. Now the seat cover has, on each corner, it will have a black tab. This tab will go over the bar from the leg of the chair. So slide the black pouch over the leg of the chair. And you'll want to repeat this process for each of the four corners of the chair. So now the front is assembled. Rotate the chair to the back. Simply slide this pouch into the leg of the chair. And then the fourth corner. So at this point, the chair is assembled. You can have a seat, very comfortable. So finally, to disassemble the chair, we simply do everything in reverse. I'll want to start with the two back corners. So hold the leg of the chair with one hand, pull the pouch out with the other hand on all four corners. Set the seat cover aside. And to take the legs apart, simply pull each part of the leg and fold it down into the center of the chair. If you'd like, you can use this Velcro strap, wrap it around the leg of the chair. Keep it together. And I like to take the seat cover of the chair and lay it flat, and then take the legs of the chair and roll them up into the seat cover. Now I just take the chair and slide it back into the carrying pouch of the chair. Zip it up, and you're ready to go. That is the Trekology YIZI Go outdoor chair. Thanks for watching.